Hey guys, I am very excited to review for you today these super cute mini pie plates from Vancasso. These are in the color Stern Blue, and each mini pie plate in this set is 5.5 inches in diameter, which is a great size, certainly very versatile. I personally think that these are great for a variety of dishes, whether as an appetizer, maybe a little meal, for dessert. These are specifically designed to be great for things like chicken pot pie, or say a yummy apple pie, blueberry pie, or even little cakes, maybe some dessert pies. Every time I say pie, I get just a little bit hungrier, not gonna lie. But again, we're talking versatile. I don't know about you guys, but I love making like little breakfast casseroles. Like just put some eggs in, some tomatoes, onions, other yummy stuff, throw it in the oven and give it some time, and then it'll come out with a super yummy dish in the prettiest little pie plate. And speaking of oven, one of the coolest things about these is that they are appliance safe. They're made using very high quality ceramic clay. So there's some very durable stoneware with this stunning reflective glaze. Look at that pretty shade of blue. I am so in love with how these look, as well as this pretty detailing around the edges and our sides. Very beautiful, very well made, sure to last for quite some time, but again, they can be used for a variety of different dishes and occasions. So this makes them super appliance safe. If you ever forget, just turn it over because you will see all the different icons. You can put these into the oven, the microwave, the freezer, and then once you're all done, stick it right in the dishwasher and it'll be clean in no time. They also stack very nicely, and this is a set of 6, so you're gonna be all stocked up already for your family, for a nice dinner party, whatever the occasion. These are the mini pie plates you're going to want because you can use them for all sorts of things. I mean, you could get creative, throw some beans in here, Brussels sprouts, just use them as a little appetizer plate. You've got a ton of options, so they're for yourself or a loved one as a gift. This is an excellent option to spice up your kitchen, make a dinner party a little bit more exciting. So make sure to check out these super cute mini pie plates from Vancasso. I hope you love them just as much as I do.